problem which we are going to see is how to construct a Turing machine for doing a multiplication. If we want to do a multiplication using a Turing machine, so how to do it? Okay, how to construct a Turing machine for it, how to design. Okay, let's understand. So, for example, I am multiplying x and y, x into y. Okay, so x I am taking here 2 and y as 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So how to represent this in the our two-way infinitive? So this is our two-way infinitive here. Take. So here 2 ones are there. Okay. So these 2 ones are what? X, and these 3 ones, because our x are how much? 2. So we are taking it in the unary form. So for here, so this is represented as 2 ones. Okay. Now y value is what? 3. So y value is what? 3. So here how many y's we have taken? 3. 1, 2, 3. So as y value is 3, so we had taken 3 ones. As x value is 2, so we had taken here 2 ones in the unary form. Now this is what? Separator between the x and y. This is the separator between x and y. Now this is also the separator. For what purpose we had used this separator? Because what we have to do for first one, now just try to understand. It's little bit tricky, but once you understood, you can do it very easily. So what we have to do, we have to make this first one as blank. We have to write it by blank, and for this we have to correspondingly change these 3 blanks into ones. Means we have to write here 1. Okay, we have to scan this string, we have to read this string, and then we have to convert, we have to perform the right operation and convert this b into 1, this b also 1. Once we encounter this b, we have to convert into 1. This is the first procedure. Then after that, again we will come back, again when we will encounter the b 1, that after b when we encounter the 1, so we will convert this 1 into blank, and then again we will move, and for this one, for the first one we had converted 3 blanks into 1, and for the second one also we will convert this 3 blanks into ones. Likewise we will get how many number of ones? In all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number of ones we will get. Okay, 6 numbers of 1 we will get. So now 2 into 3 was what? 6. So this is our ultimate aim. Now the rest of remaining, all this will be converted into blanks. All this will be converted into what? Blanks. We have to convert this blank, and all this will be converted into 1. Like this we have to convert. This will be converted into blank, and all this will be converted into blanks. So how we will do this? Let's understand how to do this. Okay. So how to do this? When we will encounter first one, okay, so what we will be doing? We will converting this 1 into x. Okay. After this, whatever number of ones or zeros one will come, we will just ignore it. We will not change this one. Okay, ignore it. Then if separator we will get, you can write this separator as c also, no problem. You can write by any. Just remember that this is what? Separator. Now change this. You don't have to change this, you have to ignore it. When you will encounter the first one, that time we have to write it by what? X. Remember this. You have to write it by x. Then all the remaining ones you will write it as it is, no change in that. If the separator comes, this is again the separator, you will keep it as it is. When the first b you will encounter, that time this b will be changed to what? Again into 1. Now this another b's will remain as it is, no change in this. Okay. Once you encounter the first one, you have to move towards the left direction. Once you move towards the left direction, you see here zeros. Whatever number of zeros come, don't ignore it. Ignore the ones also. Whatever number of ones will come, ignore it. Once you encounter the x, what you have to do? You have to move towards the right direction. Because for this one, we have to change this b. For this one we have to change this corresponding b. So when we encounter this one, we will change this one into x. Then we will move towards the right, then move left, okay, move right, and when we will get 1, ignore it. Again move to the right. If we get a separator that is 0, ignore it. Move towards the right until we get a b. We have to move towards the right. Once you get a b, we have to change it into 1, and what we have to do, we have to move towards the left. Okay, we have to move towards the left until we encounter the x. Once we encounter the x, we have to move towards the right, and we have to change this 1 into x. We have to change this 1 into. Now after the x, what we are getting? 0. This means what? All of this are get converted. So we will move towards the right until we get a blank. So as soon as we get a blank, we will change this 1 into blank. So here we got what? All the blanks, all the x we got. So here also we got 3 ones. Now as we got 3 ones, after this is what? Blank. As soon as we got a blank, we will do what? We will move towards the left. We will move towards the left, and we will keep this 1 as it is. We will not change this 1. Just remember that here this ones we have to keep it as it is. If we encounter the zeros, the 0, that is the separator, then also you have to keep it as it is. If we encounter the x, now at this stage, if we encounter the x, we have to change this x again to the 1. This x also we have to change into 1, and again this x also we have to change into 1. Now if we encounter the 0, keep it as it is. If we encounter the 1, keep it as it is. If we encounter the x, we understood that already this symbol has been read, and the right operation has been performed. Already it has been modified. So we will move towards what? Right side. So we will change this 1 now towards what? X. Already this is modified, and this also we will modify. Okay, it modified it by blank. Okay, we had modified it by the blank. Now after this, what we will do? We will, if we encounter the 0, we will keep it as it is. No change in this. Now if we encounter the 1 after separator, if there is a 1, what we did first, first of all it was 1 on 2, so we modified into x. So again for this one we have to modify this. So again same procedure we have to do. We have to first of all convert this 1 into x, and then x again into 1, and this 1 will be again converted into blanks. That will be our final target. This, see here, what we did first, इथे काय होते पहले कि ones होते, so that ones we had converted into x, okay, while we were scanning, and for every as soon as we convert this 1 into x, we used to convert this blanks into 1. Okay, for every ones we converted these blanks into 1, and after moving back, after traversing back, we had converted into x. Again we are traversing back, so that again what we have to do, we have to convert this 1 into x, x into 1. Okay, just understand. 1 we had converted into x, x we had converted into x, we will convert into 1. Again this 1 we will convert into x, x we will convert into 1, and then into blanks. So we had reached here. Okay, so we had reached where? Okay, now we had reached where? 1. Okay, we had reached here 1. Okay, so how we will do this? Let's understand. So after 0, when we will see the 1, okay, after 0 when we will see the 1, we have to convert it into x. Okay, then for this x, as we have converted for this 1, we are converting corresponding b also into 1. So we will move towards the right until we encounter the b. All the middle symbols we have to ignore it. Now as soon as we encounter the first b, we have to change it into 1. Then again we will move towards the left until we encounter what? until we encounter the x. As soon as we see x, we will move toward we will move our read right header towards the right side. Move right and change this 1 to what? X. We will change this symbol, change this 1 into x and convert it into x and move towards the right. If there are 1, keep it as it is, ignore it. If there are 0, keep it as it is, ignore it. If there are any number of 1s, ignore it. If we encounter the b, we have to change it into 1. After that, what is that blank symbol? Once you write it, you have to again move towards the left until we encounter the x. When we encounter the x, we have to move towards the right side and we have to change this 1 into x. Okay. Again we will move towards the right until we encounter the blank. As soon as we see the blank, we will change it into what? 1, and after that what is there? Blanks. When we see the blank, we will move towards the left direction until we will keep all these ones as it is. We will keep this x as it is. Now when we encounter the x, okay, so we have to move towards what? When we encounter the x, we will move towards the separator. Okay, separator we have to move. We have to move towards the separator. We will keep the separator as it is, means 0 as it is. Okay, as we can see here, so here we will understand that all the ones are being completed. So again we will move towards the separator. So if there is a separator, then we have to move towards the left. So all the now what will happen? This x will be converted into 1. This x will be also converted to 1. This x will be also converted to 1. Okay. After this, what happened? If 0 is there, we have to move towards the left. Now here, if we encounter the blank, we have to keep it blank only. And if here we encounter the 0, again we have to move towards the right. Once we got the blank, we have to move towards the right. So if we get the 0, then we will replace it with the blank. So here there will be what? Blank. Again here when we will encounter 1, we replace it with blank. Here also we will replace it with blank, and here also with blank, and here also with blank. So what is the remaining portion here? 3 ones here and 3 ones here. Total is what? Equals to 6 1. This is the basic idea behind this construction of Turing machine. So let's construct the transition diagram for the same. So what I have done here, on the Q0, when we got the first one, we had replaced it with the blank symbol and we had moved our pointer read right header towards the right direction. After that, any number of ones we will get, then we will move towards the right direction only. If we encounter the 0, then we will move, replace it with 0 only and we go towards the right direction. Then Q2, on the state Q2, if we get 1, then we will replace this first one with the x, and the remaining ones we will keep as it is. We will go here also we will move towards the right direction, here also one right direction. Only the first one we will replace it with x. Then on the state Q3, if all these ones completed, now we are on the state Q3 here. Now our read write header is here, pointing here, okay, on the 0. If we find here 0, we have to keep this 0 as it is, and we have to move towards the right. Now we are on the state Q4. On Q4, if we see the blank, then we have to what we have to do? We have to change it into 1. Okay, first one, and then what we have to do here, we have to do the left movement. Again we will move back. Okay. Then we are on the state Q5. So we had moved towards where? Left. Once we encounter the blank, we had converted into 1, and we have moved towards where? 0. So if we see the 0, then only we have to keep it as 0 only, and we have to go to left. Then we are on the state Q6. If we see here any number of ones, we have to keep it 1 only, and we have to move towards the left. Now here, okay, completed. This we had converted into x. Okay. This we had converted into x. This is 1 only. Okay, here if we see any number of ones, then we had keep it 1 only, and when we encounter the x, we have to move towards the right direction. When we encounter, so again we had reached where? Again, when we get from here only, if we get a 1, then we had changed this 1 into x. Again we had moved, if any number of 1s are there, these 1s will remain same. If the 0 is encountered, then we have to keep it 0 only. We are on the step Q4. On Q4, if we get a 1, we have to keep it 1 only. If we get B, then we have to replace it with the 1. So we will replace this with 1, and we will move towards the left direction. Left direction, if we see here 1, after converting this B into 1, if we see here at this point any number of 1, so we will keep this 1 as it is, and if we see the 0, then we will keep it as it is. We will move towards the left direction. We had moved towards the left direction. Now if we see the 1, we have to keep it as it is. After this, when we encounter the x, we will move towards it. So this cycle will be same until we get all the ones. Okay, this b should be replaced by ones. Okay, after this, what we will do, after encountering all the x, means all the x is completed, when we will get 0. Okay, here when we will get 0, so what we are going to do, if we get a 0, then we will do what? We will move towards the left. Again we have to move towards left. Now what we are going to do, if we get 0, means separator is there, then we are going to move towards the left direction, and if we get x here, then all the x will be replaced by what? 1. So here all the x will be replaced by 1, and if we get, after this, if we get the 0, then that will we will keep that 0 as it is, and we will move towards the left. We will move towards the left. If we get 1 here, then we will keep it 1 only. We will not replace. Now, after that, if we get a blank, we are here now. If we get a blank, we will keep it blank only. Only we have to move towards the right direction. Now, here, okay, this one is also replaced by the blank. Now, if we get a 0, then we have to replace this 0 with this 0 we have to replace with the blank. All the ones we will replace with blank. All these ones will be replaced by the blank. So here we can see all the ones are replaced with blanks, and we have to move towards the right direction. After this, one separator is remaining. See here, one separator is remaining, that is 0. This also we have to convert into blank. All we had convert into blank. So we have converted this into blank, and our final we had reached to our final state, that is Q10. Here is our multiplication operation completed. So this is how we will scan each and every cells through using a two-way infinite tape. So this is the basic logic here, that what we have to do, we have to keep on the cell each and everything. Okay, 2 ones here, 3 ones here, and the how many total? 2 into 3 is what? 6. That's why we are keeping here 6 blank cells in forward, as it is our requirement, and all these 6 blanks will be converted into ones, and all the rest will be converted into blanks. This is the basic idea. Thank you very much.